them all what I came to do. One word that explains the truth. Bang out till your brain is loose. All your little fun-filled days are through. Remember that I'm like this thanks to you. First off, I'm a little bit psycho. I know, dumb like a mentally retarded kid. I ain't got no friends, no ends to my stress, so I chill in the dark and shit. With a rifle and bomb, knife in my palm. Think about the motherfucking lies I'ma harm. Swing at me, then I'll slice in your arm. Then make you videotape me piping your mom. Ruthless, deceitful lies. Listen up, you don't want beef to rise. I really wanna murder. I'm thinking of taking her out for a pizza slice. Then tie her ass up and then beat the life out of goddamn skull till she bleeds and cries. The whole fucking time she was screaming, why? Fuck you, bitch, don't be surprised. Time after time you told me that my album would drop. It was all bullshit. Then the day that it finally did, bitch, how come it flopped? It's ruthless, baby, for sure. I'm trying to make me some dough. Get up off your ass to make a motherfucking marketing plan, and then maybe I'll blow. But no, you wanna be a little bitch about it. Thought that I would never do shit about it. You made a contract with a twist around it, so I can never ever get about it. No outlet, so I'm pissed about it. I'd be really dumb if I just allowed it. Watch your back, you might get surrounded. Bang, 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 you hit the ground and kill. Tell them all what I came to do. Kill. One word that explains the truth. Real. Bang out till your brain is loose. All your little fun-filled days are through. Remember that I'm like this thanks to you.
Yeah, brother, you got the feeling just like the killer. Yeah, brother, you got the feeling just like the killer. Yeah, brother, you got the feeling just like the killer.
Listen up, don't you ever hate, cause I'ma blow up like a bomb when I detonate. So you be tripping like a nigga that's walking without his shoes untied. Best believe I'ma set it straight. Tie a rope around both of your legs and then hook them to two cars and drive till they separate. Now your soul's in the sky trying to levitate. Bitch, you gon' live life in a better place. You done fucked me once, you done fucked me twice. Having me begging to drop must be nice. Look at Eazy-E's lovely wife. Maybe the reason is my ugly eyes. I'll be the illest when I crush these mics, but it never occurred that I must be right. You're the reason I say fuck my life. I hate you, bitch, it's a must we fight. Everybody keep on running around and asking what do be doing with her time. I don't really know though, I just keep a low pro cause I'm mad with the contract I signed. I was so happy at first and it turned to a curse. How'd it happen to me, that's the question. I cannot get the answer, so now I'm building a casket for to rest in.